In this video, I'll show you how to create a linked record in Airtable. First, sign in to your Airtable account and open the base where you want to connect your data. Make sure you already have the tables you want to link, such as customers and orders, projects and tasks, or products and inventory. Next, open the table where you want to add the connection and click the plus button to create a new field. Select Link to another record from the field options, then choose the table you want to connect with. After that, click Create Field and start selecting records from the linked table. You can choose existing records or create new linked records directly from the field. Airtable will automatically create a matching linked field in the connected table, keeping both tables connected. Now, test the relationship by opening a few records and checking that the linked information appears correctly. You can click any linked record to quickly move between related data and use these connections for more advanced features like lookup fields and rollups. Finally, continue adding linked records as your database grows. Using linked records helps keep your Airtable base organized, reduces duplicate information, and makes it easier to manage related data across multiple tables. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a linked record in Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.